Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, you'll learn how to create a high-converting healthcare assessment using Outgrow step by step. Navigate to the Templates section from the main menu. Outgrow offers dozens of professionally designed, ready-to-use templates across various industries. Simply type Healthcare into the search bar to filter relevant options. Browse through the results and select the template that best matches your goals. Use the Preview button to explore the assessment flow. When you've found the right fit, click Use this template to load it into the builder. After logging into your Outgrow dashboard, you'll enter the builder interface. The left panel controls content sections while the right side displays a live preview of your quiz. Navigate to Overall Design to establish your brand identity. Upload your logo, select brand colors that match your visual guidelines, and customize fonts and button styling to ensure consistency with your website. Use a title like Could You Have an Underactive Thyroid? Paired with a subheading such as Discover if your symptoms could be due to hypothyroidism and what to do next. Add a relevant health-themed image or short video to increase engagement and set expectations for the assessment. Click Questions in the left panel to access the question builder. Develop 6 to 10 targeted questions that assess thyroid health comprehensively. Here are recommended questions. How would you describe your energy levels most days? Have you noticed unexplained weight gain in the past few months? Do you often feel cold, especially in your hands and feet? Have you experienced changes in your skin or hair texture? Do you have a family history of thyroid disorders? Have you noticed changes in your menstrual cycle? Do you struggle with constipation regularly? Have you had your thyroid levels tested recently? For each question, configure response options that capture meaningful data. Use Outgrow's Logic Jumps feature to create personalized pathways based on answers, ensuring each user receives relevant follow-up questions. Map responses to specific outcomes to enable accurate risk scoring at the end of the assessment. Insert a lead generation form strategically, either mid-quiz to maximize completion rates or just before results to leverage curiosity. Include essential fields like name, email, and phone number. Design 3 to 5 outcome screens tailored to different risk levels. High risk of hypothyroidism, urgent recommendations to consult an endocrinologist, detailed symptom explanation, moderate risk of hypothyroidism, suggestions for thyroid function testing, lifestyle modifications, low risk of hypothyroidism, reassurance with preventive health tips and wellness resources. Each outcome should include relevant imagery, personalized advice based on their responses, and social sharing buttons to extend your reach. Before going live, navigate to Configure settings to finalize technical details. Add an ASO-optimized title and meta description to improve discoverability in search engines. Set up email notifications so your team receives instant alerts when new leads complete the assessment. Connect your CRM, email marketing platform, or other tools through Outgrow's native integrations. When everything looks perfect, hit Publish. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.